What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we'll go over the Gemini crypto portfolio I have. We'll also go over the credit card. I've been using it for over a month. I definitely enjoy it, so let's get right into it. First of all, portfolio is at $7,000. We'll break down the holdings at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. I want to jump into the credit card real quick. I want to go over why I like it so much. I think it's very simple. It's very easy to use. Signing up was nice. And if you want to, you can use my referral link that I will include in the description below in this video and also in the comment section. So pay attention to that. Let's go through the Gemini watch list. Now it creates an automatic watch list for you where it has Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Dogecoin. This is all on the website. Very easy to use. And when you're trading on Gemini crypto, it makes it very simple. You can see what's your balance that you can buy crypto with. You can also look at your watch list where you can go through the standard watch list it has for you. You can use the top movers, the top traded, the recently launched. So Gemini is doing a very good job on making it very easy to decipher which cryptos are memes, which ones are the top traded, which ones are the main crypto that people trade, which is normally Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, and Solana. And it makes it nice and easy for the user. So for me, I have definitely enjoyed this so far. Now, let's get into basically their charting, because the charting is a little different and I like to use a different platform for that. So referring back to the charts, saying, do I like using Gemini? I don't like using Gemini for the charting. I think it's very clunky. The way that they have it set up, if you look here, they have all the different months here, but it's very difficult to toggle through and actually get a close-up view on this. It's not like using Webull or using, Fidelity Active Trader Pro that I day trade with, or even like Thinkorswim. The charting is very rudimentary, and for you, it takes a little bit longer to learn how to use this thing. They only have like a zoom out button, a zoom in button. It's very elementary compared to other platforms. Now you can play around with it, but some of this stuff here I just feel is not very useful, and it's very difficult to even get a nice zoomed in time frame. Now, what I want to do is I want to break down just the chart a little bit. You have your chart here, you have your sells, you have your bids, and then you have your available to trade. I just want to give a little quick thing. If you were going to buy and trade on Gemini Crypto, you really need to watch my video at the end of this, because I have a link that breaks down how to pay less fees. And to make it a short sum version of it, you want to trade on the active trader, not on the simple to use platform. That will give you less fees when you are placing a trade. And also always place limit orders. So this screen is the Gemini Crypto credit card. This is what the card looks like. You can choose where every time you spend your card, where your rewards go. For me, it goes to Bitcoin, but you can make it go to XRP, it can go to ETH, it can go to anything you want, Solana, etc. It's very easy signing up for this card, which I was very impressed of. I did it all over just with my cell phone. That was a nice, easy way to do it. And on the bottom here, you actually have rewards where you can see how much Bitcoin you are earning. So at Home Depot, I earned 39 cents of Bitcoin. And then ShopRite, I earned 40 cents of Bitcoin. Now it adds up pretty quickly. So here it is on this top tab here on portfolio. We can see I have $7,000 invested. Now, over the last year, I started this crypto Gemini account, and basically it has gone from about $1,000 all the way up to $7,000, which is nice. But I will say it does fluctuate a lot. I mean, you can see these dips from 7,300 down to 6,200. It moves fairly quickly, crypto. So you definitely need to have some patience and know that you are going to be going up and down with this portfolio. And now here's what I did. So I have US dollars, I have $250 that I can buy, which is 3% of the portfolio. XRP and Ethereum are my largest at 45%. And then I have Bitcoin that I'm starting to build a little bit of a position in just using the rewards. So I have people using my link to join Gemini or the crypto credit card. So I appreciate you guys. I've earned over $294 with just spending the credit card plus people signing up, which is awesome. And then we have AMP and Shiba at less than 1%. That is the Gemini crypto portfolio. We're going to continue buying and selling, and we're going to try to build this account up as we go. Guys, if you learned anything from this video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and please use the $50 for you, $50 for your friends when you trade $100 in crypto using this referral link. I'll post it in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching the video.